No, Mom, I'm not gonna take a video of it. What are we doing, guys? Sam Jam!
This roller coaster gets stuck.
Look, guys, it's Zamperla and it's not working. Surprise! They're getting tickets for us so we can ride some rides. Oh! Wade shows. They got how many coasters here? 3. They got one in the background. They got a kiddie coaster over there. And they got a wildcat back there. And that's what we're about to go ride, everybody. What are we doing, guys? About to ride a ride? Riding this bad boy here. Sky came up from Cleveland today. He was already at Cedar Point earlier too. Crazy. Fun little carnival going on though, guys. Lots of people here. Gonna be a good time. Double rainbow. Boom, boom. Double rainbow. Waiting for the roller coaster. Look, guys. We're about to get on this roller coaster right here. Boom, it's like a wildcat at Cedar Point, basically, but at a fair. It's gonna be fun. Oh, about a 15-minute wait to get on this thing. Heck yeah, guys. Look at this, we have a Zamperla coaster, a spinning wild mouse at a fair. See, Alex, spinning Zamperla, I don't want to hear it again. Carnival ride. You can go pet some farm animals now over there. Oh yeah. Little baby cow. But guys, check out this guy. He has 4 horns over there. What? Look. Babe, get in there and feed some. Get some stuff and feed them, guys. I want to get this. That's so cute. He said, let me get some real quick. He said, don't forget me. Oh, that's cute, guys. Buddy. What's up, bud? You got all these horns, dude. You're cool looking. So, petting zoo, 10 out of 10. This guy, crazy looking. Look at him. He's got 4 horns, guys. Look at him. Cool, little baby. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You got a spot on your eye? Look at your other eye. Hi, buddy. This isn't food, buddy. You guys are all so cute, though. Fruity Pebbles corn dog. Huh. Watch the drone show tonight.
Looks like it.
Look, guys. That's so cool. Gotta get your Meyer plug in.